Do you want to improve your website's visibility on search engines? That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. It's a key technique in digital marketing that can help your website climb the ranks of search engine results, bringing in more traffic and increasing your online visibility. It's about understanding what people are searching for online and making sure your website is in a position to be found. Optimizing your website for SEO isn't as complex as it sounds, and we're here to guide you through it. The first step in optimizing your website for SEO is keyword research. Think of this as a treasure hunt, where the treasure is the language your target audience uses when they're looking for your products or services. It's all about finding the most relevant keywords that people are typing into search engines. Not just any keywords, but long-tail keywords, specific phrases of 3 or more words that are less competitive and more targeted. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush can be your compass in this adventure, helping you discover these valuable phrases. Remember, it's these keywords that help search engines understand your content, and more importantly, bring the right people to your digital doorstep. Finding the right keywords can make all the difference in how your website ranks on search engines. Once you have your keywords, the next step is to incorporate them into your website, a process known as on-page SEO. This involves a few critical elements. First, title tags. These should be concise, unique, and incorporate your main keyword. Next, meta descriptions. These are brief summaries of your page content, and a well-crafted meta description can entice users to click on your website. Then we have header tags, which help structure your content and highlight important sections. The proper placement of keywords within your content is also essential. But remember, while keywords are important, creating high-quality original content should be your priority. This not only engages your visitors, but also pleases search engines. Effective on-page SEO can significantly enhance your website's visibility on search engines. But SEO isn't just about what's on your website. Off-page SEO is equally important. It's the art of making your website attractive to others, encouraging them to link to your content or share it on social media. This includes backlinking, where other reputable websites link back to yours, and social signals like shares and likes. Why does this matter? Because search engines view these as votes of credibility and authority. When done right, a strong off-page SEO strategy can greatly boost your website's rankings. So you've learned about keyword research, on-page SEO and off-page SEO. You're now equipped with the knowledge to boost your website's visibility. It's time to revisit those key points, identifying the right keywords, optimizing your content and website structure, and building quality backlinks. Don't forget, these are not one-time tasks. They require continuous effort and adjustments as per evolving search engine algorithms. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. But with a consistent strategy, you'll see your website's visibility on search engines improve over time.